There's a Wocket in my pocket by Dr. Seuss. And a window in my window, and bookcase in my bookcase. Did you ever have the feeling there's a basket in your basket? Or a euro in your bureau? Or a wasset in your closet? Sometimes I feel quite certain there's a curtain in the curtain. Sometimes I have the feeling there's a clock behind the clock. And the shelf upon the shelf, I have talked in myself. That's the kind of house I live in. There's a nink in the sink and a zamp in the lamp, and they're rather nice, I think. Some of them are very friendly, like the yolk in the pot. But the yodel in the bottle? Some are friendly, some are not. I like the sable on the table and the choir under the chair. But the bofa on the sofa? Well, I wish it wasn't there. All those nutbirds in the cupboards? They were good fun to have about. But the nut crush on my toothbrush? Him, I could do without.
No.
The only one I'm really scared of is the fog under the rug. And the quimby up in the chimney? I don't like him, not at all. And it makes me sort of nervous when the cells go down the hall. But the yelps on the steps, they're great fun to have around. And so are many, many other friends that I have found. Like the teller and the neller and the jeller and the deller and the beller and the weller and the zeller in the cellar. And the killing on the ceiling and the sour in my shower. And the sillow on my pillow. I don't care if you believe it. That's the kind of house I live in. And I hope we never leave it. Good night, Sillo. Good night, friends. Now imagine what it would be like to live in a house like this one. Do you have a favorite friend from the story? Or maybe one you wouldn't want as a roommate? What do you think of their names? Would you give them different ones? Better yet, why not invent your own character? Someone you would love to have around, and draw them. Have fun!